guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I've bought you something very different जो आपको definitely देखना चाहिए, which is for severe hair loss. I have this kit. This is the BellaEstas Hair Fall Repair Regime Severe Hair Loss Kit, which looks like this. The brand has designed it in such a way that if you have severe hair loss, then this is what you need. But if you have moderate hair fall, this is what you need. And if you have mild hair fall, this is what you need. So guys, I have received this kit and I'm going to show you how to use this and what are the things in this. I've used this for a week and a half. This kit consists of hair oil जो आपको बाल धोने से पहले यूज करना है. For you can keep it for around 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then you have the shampoo which you have to use. You have the anti hair fall serum. Now this is the one which I'm going to try in front of you. Now BellaEstas has bought this Verginico shampoo, oil and serum, and even this nutritional supplement with multivitamin and multi-mineral and essential amino acids in a form of tablet. Now this is the best part, that they are going to heal you from within and from outside, which is very important, because to heal something, to correct something in your body, you need to work it from inside and from outside. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the BellaEstas Virgin Eco Hair Oil. Now this is enriched with Tocotrienol, a super vitamin. Now vitamin E is very important for your hair and your skin. So Tocotrienol is a super vitamin E, unique blend of 8 oils, virgin coconut oil. What ingredients are involved are virgin coconut oil, fermented argan oil, fermented Camellia seed oil, green tea seed oil, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, lavender oil. ये तो बहुत हो गया. Okay, now this is really very good, and I'm going to show you how I used this. The bottle inside looks like this. Very beautiful packaging, and you have a pump right here, and this is how. So the smell of the oil consists of, I can smell coconut oil. Now once you are done with the oil, I waited for 30 minutes and then I washed my hair with this Virgin Eco shampoo. This is an anti-hair fall shampoo enriched with PROCAPIL with unique blend of natural actives, aloe vera and deep ethanol. Prevents hair fall, strengthens hair from the root, increases hair density, thickness and the fullness of your hair, which looks good. But guys, I'll tell you one thing. You will say that आपको कुछ भी use करना है, it has to be long term, and I have brands coming up to me for hair products which I am definitely trying and bringing up to you. Now it's your choice आपको क्या use करना है. This is a small disclaimer because you might think that I'm confusing you, but I hope you understand. I'm just bringing to you what is good. And the shampoo inside the bottle looks like this. The smell of the shampoo is so divine. I really love the smell of the shampoo. After I just washed my hair felt really soft. And one important thing that I want to say, when using these products, the one and only thing that you have to remember is you are going to lose few strands or more strands of hair in the initial days, because जो आपके बाल weak हुए हैं, which are weak, which are brittle, which are already damaged, this shampoo and these products are going to get rid of them. Okay, they'll get rid of your head, okay, from your scalp, because what is already damaged and which is already broken from the root cannot be repaired. But once those strands are gone, you will definitely start seeing that a new hair are growing and a healthier and stronger way. The hair are going to be strong. I also read about this oil and the supplement together prevent the baldness that people have. For me, here I don't have little hair, so I read about this and I was so happy that with regular use you can have a fuller looking scalp. You know, the hair can grow back from that area, which is the best thing. And I am definitely going to follow up with this oil because I have so much faith and trust in this brand. Now moving forward, after the shampoo, what you have to do is, you after towel dry hair or even later, you can use this anti-hair fall serum. This has onion bulb extracts, ginseng root extracts, biotin, calcium pantothenate, hydrolyzed soya protein. It has linoleic acid, vitamin A, E and B5. Prevents hair fall, stimulates hair growth, increases hair density, thickness and fullness. Because I said this is such amazing brand, I had waited to make this video, so I'm going to show you how to use this serum. This serum is what the quantity they have said. The bottle is bigger, so the product looks less, but ये ऐसे ही आता है. So in case you wonder कि ये क्यों, but don't worry, they have given you the right amount of product in it, so don't worry about it. This is how the bottle looks like, as I said. Now how you have to use this serum is, you have to take the required amount. I've just taken, I wanted to take 2 drops, but they're, yeah, around 2 drops. And you have to take on your fingertips and apply it on the required scalp taklapan hair. Literally guys, literally, I'm not feeling bad about saying this, but because this is going to help so many people. Because see, right here I have, so I'm going to try it out here. This serum is for your scalp, you know, just do not misunderstand that this serum is for your hair. This serum is to use on your scalp where you really need, where you find empty space on your scalp. So yes, this is how you have to use this serum. Do not forget that, guys. These products have natural ingredients. They are paraben free, mineral oil free, sulfate free and silicone free, which is amazing because, you know, I've been loving these products which are just natural and which is only going to do good for you guys. Guys, talking about this supplement now, maybe everyone do not need this supplement. People who have like mild hair fall, they do not need this, but exactly who needs this is those people who have hair fall. Definitely one. सेकेंड, जिनकी डाइट उनको लगता है कि कंप्लीट नहीं है, जिसमें उनको सब कुछ, यू नो, ऑल द विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं. यू ईट लॉट ऑफ जंक फूड्स, पैकेज फूड. दोज पीपल are definitely very less on a good health, on natural minerals and vitamins. So those people definitely need this in their kit and उनको ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. Now this is very simple, guys. Now this has a lot of ingredients. It has zinc, copper, magnesium. It has so much things. Wow, which is good. Vitamin B2, vitamin C, biotin, vitamin B6, calcium, and grapeseed extracts, green tea extracts, which is very good, which is definitely going to help build your scalp. And this is how the tablet looks like. It's such a big tablet. Okay, so this is how it looks like as a water, and just put it. It has that fizzy thingy and it is orange flavor. Now this is how the drink is looking. It's orange flavor. The khushbu is completely orange, and I'm going to tell you something, that do not be scared because it's not going to taste bitter. It's like orange. Tang pee rahe hain. It's exactly same, but it is full of goodness. I eat a lot of home cooked food, but I really love this, and I've tried this one before and I'm trying it now. Orange flavor, really good. If you're going to buy this kit, this is going to be more cheaper than going to any doctor, and this is really going to help you with your hair fall problems. So I think you should just give it a try once. And the last thing that I want to say is they give you this cute little beauty tracking passport, BellaEstas, you are beautiful. This is what they believe, and this is how they give you this small passport, which is amazing. When you open it up, you have to write your name, gender, age, start date. आप कभी ये kit चालू कर रहे हो, you know, when are you starting the whole process, and then day by day shampoo, serum, tablet and oil, and then days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, what you are using when. This is the whole tracking book. Because कैसे होता है ना, हम कुछ यूज़ करते हैं, हम वो प्रॉपरली नहीं करते. Now we have so many DIY solution and remedies, but do we do them? No, we don't. We do it once, we do it twice, and then we forget, and then we just saying बाल झड़ रहा है, ये हो रहा है. But no, if you're doing something, do it for the whole period that is required, the whole process. So yeah, I tried and I covered everything I could for this kit. And yes, thank you for watching. If you really like this, more details about this and links from where you can buy is in the description box. Do check that out. And yes, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and wait for my next video. Till then, you be happy and you be stylish. Bye.